Kwaba Ediba Xposed so aha Xposed trend na me catch you say like it, na share, never subscribe na subscribe it, never notification bell on here at all send you boost ya on sabeka. But be me be see ye di kokonsa bi. Kokonsa ni na na ye otumu se Ghana no. Eto de bia menim bibia nkofo bi mu kofa information bi free eba. Ene information no enam nkofu bi mu ho aye bodi na se ade na de bia we mu nko aye be ko aba na ni na asem na besi ni ye Chedda se ye ka Chedda abranti bia wotumu so ko live in life abrochi wetima mabomodi akọ school he has made money and ono kra recently abetia na social media ni platform ni na ma okodina independence still wa be coin be a friend freedom coin so ma monim na obi afede nkofo kra kase e mane beye no te say second and one sa branti e kesika owobi pa ono na e ba ne yere otumi to V8 say kam ye no tumi de che ne yere say she has been there with him when he was down sa Chedda we wasem ne ho kokonse bi na abedu obi be say gossip come make me gossip small what does he and the problem ni na na say sa be ma Chedda yi celebrity se wo Ghana e bamba no a one ni ben one ni twe nakra na pa no e Jackie Apia I won't say Jackie Apia na one ni nam no yeah flow wo muntem I won't say Jackie Apia being a good friend or to say oh me no me ni go for big men so if I'm introducing Chedda to other people more industry ni ma o me big women a woni ma enya bone inti Jackie Apia introduce Chedda Edi Mananama Anamoah and Serwaa Amihere best of the same feathers what I say best friends na omodio o introduce sa Chedda idi ma sa maba yi utumi hu se maba yi afa chire epeso omo trete the life of Chedda you see me the chat in the we allegedly obi claiming on Snapchat thing na ya san nyoma we ba am the just Snapchat for concern dia no di o who ya rough they go drop video me to nyame na grow na media na omu feche no money guy no say omu vibe no now I had to say they want to blackmail the guy say omu she dey twakotia man say oye drugs and cocaine na we na Jackie Apia to no say na mo ma introduce much obia we na mo pese mo ye no opon bibie no secret wo e kire say na ba na moa ene Serwaa Amihere no omo wo ho no omo pebre ene omo ni Chedda no have Thrεεsοme na Chedda no so one mba da allegedly one mba da oye video ba ono no won so oye big man ono be post on social media but every lady ono ne ba be da bia even though he has a wife no sa oba no omo videos but on better na show bia image but Serwaa Amihere no no dia ma me Jackie Apia dwen na say na mo from a chini be ma isa da mo we mo pese mo blackmail ni eje e ka che ni say yi oye cocaine ni drugs all in the name of $9,000 they say so $9,000 mama sa tetisika no 900 million enya agro 90,000 Ghana cedis tetisika 900 million ene obi ma $10,000 wama 1 billion the dollar no class say almost about 15 cedis dada it is say as can get mawa and I'm almost 1 billion this is the money now to the extent put a Chedda no wetuma rent some apartment for 2 months be ma Serwaa Amihere nana ba Anamoah no this is what the person is claiming on Snapchat and let me read or see Chedda did nothing wrong giving you Nanaba Anamoah and Serwaa money. Jackie Apia introduced you. He even gave out a room at his apartment for 2 full months and you threatened him on test to expose him for cocaine and drugs. Jackie Apia, these 2 women would do anything to get money. I said these two women, not just say Serwaa Amihere and Anamoah, they will do anything to get money. I said Jackie Appiah was angry about it. She called you and you denied Poto. You Nana Abba, Serwaa and Chedda. You Nana Abba, Serwaa and Chedda did threesome and doing drugs at his apartment, as if you didn't know that he was videoing. This is his fetish. He keeps tapes of sleeping with girls. You know he won't leak it to embarrass himself, but he will show it to other people. You pass behind Jackie's back to sleep with someone that she's also fucking. Hey, Ghana a community because of $9,000. Not just a Chedda no crown, or no the no better, but she will introduce it and I'll bet Lekis have you know. I'm an equalist, these big men to have access, and I'll bet catch them say they have been doing all this. Way will be allegedly all claiming I want a snap handle. That is why I am saying allegedly. Now way and I be so. I didn't think they be a bad secret. And no man air course recently I be who say medical ni fella makafui issues, or because medical is trying to have something intimate to do with a friend is saying mommy easy baby, to the extent say class or girl be a friend a clear with girl or Snapchat on the only for boyfriend. Like I don't know why it is say always these celebrities they always have some secrets. And now when people are hating and almost perfume or snap handles more, they try to go and attack all these people. But yeah, the one want to say, if you dare them, they might even prove you something. Like Sebu or Nipane can the cry, and yet the whole truth though. But our videos of these people having some other intimate stuff are a secret, and you don't know who tries to list all the stuff. Now when Insta Nipani posted a day when you be posted on Instagram, and under the post people reacted because per picture na Nipani posted was snap. And Kofobe reacted say, "Tie obese, so Jackie Appiah is sleeping with every rich man in Ghana. Why do we do this to our own people?" They said they be Jackie Appiah ye waha, ena ye maybe akwa we say munim obi a onim snap onim Game Boys here. Abranti ye friend Ibrawan ebe kire say Jackie Appiah ono okọ Dubai a sa de wagon ni nyoma ye oba yusu ye nyina e abranti e na ya chi na tum o prison a ye friend Hush Puppy ono oni Jackie Appiah allegedly die and san ye man sa ye friend say J wagon na Jackie Appiah e yusu no into ono ni big life no yusu na e big man ene da en na nkofo so wo snap pictures ti Jackie Appiah de yan from Peneda. One day be upon deals or one in the money nano. Seb you sako be to Krumo, Esa de Cope, Emma Memman and Dadia. And the one general if you not said you only hook up. Neil said, Jackie, the same my brand them a hook up professionalism. I may. No one just saw Moody moving ambassadorial deals, and Katakatoni because recently the moon said Jackie to me see if you will see power Timu party. Hey! Business and kwa and a member never gonna more yet because a member no move you grab at dine crack and two. So I dine a Sebu Jackie Appiah and yet then is see now we and a second person all comment say, can't we mind our own business for once? Instead of fighting the dollar, we are fighting people's personal life. When you also actually say, yes, I will say right now, Ghana economy no I think a crack. Yem fan the same kofobi mu yen nyoma e mining, but this is their personal life. They decide to sleep whoever they want. Chedda no one na ebia na kaso ni bema gine ni one person bedem no the bed celebrities e don na sem because yet is anu omo no we are giving them dollars. Eja Chedda ni omo kwa kwade ni nyoma obema samba we ni na dollars. He is going to give them dollars and the dollar keeps doubling. But what would the bear maybe or take Ghana home 100 Ghana, 200 Ghana? Who to one over Jackie Appiah? Any Serwaa Amihere na bana mwasem. Nsu dollar no gusu dwane jaw. Nsu boy kofi mensa ogusu ma 20 Ghana se fire bankuni yendi. Sa ni pay and ye koka mwasem. They are charging all these guys in dollars and dollar keeps increasing. So it seems that we should rather concentrate on how to cut the dollar because already Bawumia I don't know if somebody asked me this morning when I was coming to work. That you know something? The person who said you arrest the dollar, is he dead? Because if he is dead, we should just incarnate him and you should come and arrest the dollar for us, because the dollar is running. Dollar running too much. And I knew the air. Now, Obisu esa to us way if you na Instagram post na so say there's no sense in this. It doesn't even add up. Yeah, ushe allegation you na abana. Yeah. Like na abana once the one me. They will go and do Thrεεsοme for $99,000. Ejuma no mo ye na emfa so ne den. We na onipa we so etre. And at the part tell them say, hey Ghana, we all go for sea therapists. Otumu say no. I said Ghana no obi ate wona na adwumo kan kakra bia. No we say no, if you want to be famous in this country, and now per se o channel obi a okita and o Instagram page or Snapchat o person onya followers. Just hit on famous people. You can go on men of God. You can go on celebrities. Try and bring out some deep secrets about them and come and tarnish their image and get followers. And I say yet one man confwash code, confwash leku in Italian. So I dream no want to watch it. If anyone say I've not confessed you, everybody because when you're bipolar, and so become no near bipolar on fair do be ISSA or 40 per year drew or some bipolar. I was for me and did you my April and uncle can say April. Within the limo, Elicum Kwame and again. A Jume cry saw my saying I'm did you April and you will be answered needful thing. Now, Xposed so you see, you pay up no at was a open say obo where to my do company be or establish and you may be a autumn. Whatever you are selling, we want you to contact Xposed and we'll advertise your product for you. We will tell people to come and purchase your product. Come to your company, whatever you are doing. Come and contact Xposed and we'll advertise whatever you are selling for you. Now, me catch us. Subscribe and share. No, this will end take up. Say a cosi. Comment our comment section as here. The Lucian for now, me person me catch us. That's send it. You say share. Macram. Bye.
Mira, the we are in Sway Esifa Bay. Now a damn has sent Sunny, and then the one from me and shades the pa, their own fraud bill.
Sunny Santi, and I'm in fraud of it. Abraham see the way. Let me jaw what to coin, and I may catch out say, Confirm neat roofing system for no matter dying so my end. And I'll call for a quantum for my Tamaquafwa, or my dying so I share, then you.
Now, Mira, neat roofing system for someone walking. A damn pan, a dance from what, Tinchnaching, as I said, one, and a sound boy a dance from my end. Or they would see, when says he can't wear thing, and I will yard and swar. I was so yadia, a bit in your chama ye. And unti, and I'm a share will say, Confirm neat roofing system for Nanka, Omaya Jumay. Achia, Nansu Emui, neat roofing system for when Quandia, Ometani neat, the Amayan. Enti, a Kobani say, open woodwork, metal trust, rain gutter, red cap, valley, IBR, IDT, DSR, any Piaka Hondia, any not on Safre, neat roofing system company. Yamau free estimation, any free transport, and our friends so, your poor down Sumawa, a chaye pa.
And it just some neat roofing system company at the Abani say, what the promotion Chenche pan or Diapa. Say, if we sabre, a say, you better bronya bury no. Open neat roofing system company, a catch it, see and cobo down Sumawa. A candia out the bow down so pet and I'll bet Tiaka. Nay, do a chi aqua down swama free. I won't tiare.
As I might cast an impatem, neat roofing system for Ababia among Krabatani Bio, Parker so Proto Station, store number 44. I and GRA office in Dimshanimu. A Muntre Mubiano, for neat roofing system for Ewo 0553 817122 Anna 0557 453973.
Neat roofing system, Anna. Quality is our hallmark.